We've just had torrential rain in Luton. Look at the flood outside my front door. It's like got to my bloody ankles, look. Oh yeah. It's even deeper here, look at it. Flipping out. Like right up to my step. It's going up the step. Unbelievable. Fucking hell. It's like a river. I hope it don't come in.